Alright, you guys. We're live inside the cemetery. They say that they say that they hear voices around here. This is actually close to a Boy Scout camp and a Indian tribe camp. So I don't know. Let's see what happens, guys. See if we can catch anything. Maybe we'll be lucky and catch some orbs or something. Wow. There's some old gravestones here. Look at that. October 7th, 1848 to 1910. Wow. These are old. These gravestones are really old, guys. Like I said, this is live. Paranormal Brian. Live with you guys. At one of the haunted graveyards in Deep South Missouri, close to Truman Lake. We're bringing it live for you guys tonight. I don't know what this is. Looks like they started to bury something. Or unbury something. But yeah, this is close to an old Indian tribe, you guys. So there's supposed to be some haunted graves here. Haunted Indian spirits that roam around here. You're supposed to catch a glimpse of them. A couple of them stand over there by the tree over there. Let's see what this one says. This one's all lit up and all fancy. Oh, wow. Wow, this guy was a soldier. Edward Odell, September 17, 1992 to July 14, 2013. He's got American flag and everything. Wow. Boy, you guys, some of these are really old. 1931 to 2014, that's not too long ago. 4 years. 1934. Hey guys, some of these are old. It looks like they started building graves here. I don't know what the deal is with all these I don't know what the deal is with all these piles of dirt mounds all around. But yeah, there's some of these are really old, guys. Whoa. Look at that. So someone just put a board there. See what this is. I don't know what this is. Look at that. Oh, I don't know if that's someone's grave. They just couldn't afford to give them a gravestone or what. Wow, that's kind of weird. Yeah, there's some. I don't know, guys. I'm getting a really weird really weird feeling, weird vibe. Like someone's watching me. But yeah, some of these graves are unmarked. Look, like this one, it's unmarked. I guess that the people couldn't afford to give them a proper burial or something. There's a lot of old ones here. Yeah, 1915. Wow. If there's anybody out here who'd like to communicate with me, please do so. I'm not here to harm you. Not here to trespass or bother you or disturb your peace. Just want to find out, you know, who you are. I just want to find out the history of the cemetery. If there's anybody, you guys, I just saw an orb. If there's anybody that'd like to communicate with me, please do so. Oh wow, guys, look at this. Look at this, guys. I've never seen a grave like this, where the dirt's already just where the dirt's like that. I've never seen it like that. We got 1927. Wow. 1927 to 1997. That's kind of strange and eerie just to see a graveyard like that. Is there anybody that would like to communicate with me? Please do so. Wow, 1946. Brother and father. Wow. Oh my God, look at this, guys. This is eerie. I'm getting a really eerie feeling about this grave right here. Yeah. This is very, very weird. Everett, 1942 to 2018. I'm getting a real eerie feeling about this one. Wow. There's really no gravestone for him. It's just dirt with flowers thrown on top of it. And look at this, guys. There's no gravestone for this one at all. It's like they just buried him and just left him there. 1959 to 2018. Wow. Didn't live very long. Anybody like to communicate, please do so. Not here to harm you. Not here to disturb your peace. Just want to find out more about you. Yeah, 1948 to 2011. Got a neat little butterfly that lights up. I'm getting an eerie feeling, guys. There's something not right about this cemetery. Something, I don't know, I'm getting a weird feeling. Very strange. Wow, look at this, guys. There's another one. Just like with a small headstone. Looks like they just buried him. 1951. Wow. Alright guys, well, I'm getting an eerie feeling about this, so I think we're gonna go ahead and conclude this video, but I don't know if I caught anything. I'm gonna have to go through the videos and see if I caught anything. But this cemetery is supposed to be haunted, from what I heard, so we shall see if I caught anything on video. So, alright guys, peace. But before I go, give me a kiss. Alright, peace guys. Hang on. I want you guys to see this graveyard. This is pretty neat. 1957, 2015, and 1942 to 2004. But that's pretty cool. It got a crystal ball there. What was that? Okay, I just heard a noise. Hello? Anybody there? Okay, guys. This concludes the video. I don't know, getting really weird vibes about this place, so we'll continue with some videos. This cemetery is not a very big one, but we'll continue with some videos here in a couple of days. I've got well, this makes 12. I got 12 videos now to put up, so I'm gonna be busy this weekend doing that. But here's a real cool one. Wow, look at that. Whoa, this is old. John Kerry, 1890 to 1981. Look at that, a tree stump. Huh. Wow, that's neat. Here's a big one, 1856, 1854. Wow, these are old, guys. Most of these gravestones are old. Anyway, I heard some weird noises over there by the big oak tree, so this concludes our video for now. We'll go ahead and I'll be busy tomorrow doing some more videos, uploading some videos and getting them online on YouTube for you guys. So that concludes the video for now. Thanks for watching, guys.